Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Give us a round of applause today because we are working with, can you guys guess? ISEE Hair once more, which means thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. Now, as usual, we have to go in the box, and it comes in this beautiful pink box, and I'm getting a phone call, so I'm back. Now, this is the box that it came in, and we are gonna go inside. I always love that they seal everything, so this is how it is. Let's open it up. Ooh, so we have the hair. Let's see. We have a booklet from them, wig caps, and essential tips for caring your wig. And now let's get to the hair. We also got a wig band. The wig is well secure, and this is what I like, that sometimes you can just take the wigs out the package and put them on. The quality of this hair feels amazing. It is a straight wig, as you guys can see. Okay, so that's an extra band. We already have a band right here, and there's a tag that we're definitely going to take off. So I'm excited, and also it's a closure, as you guys can see. I like to cut the rigid areas off the wig. That's just my preference. We will go in and put makeup on the lace, of course, so it matches the skin, but the lace quality is absolutely everything, and I love it. I love it. The hair feels full. This is how the color looks, and you guys know it's that season where we're wearing this type of texture here. So I wanted to show you guys the lace. It is beautiful. As soon as I add the makeup to it, I'll show you guys and give you more details of that. It comes with a comb right there. There's a comb. There's another comb, and my favorite is there's a comb at the back. So here we go. Alright guys, I'm eating a candy. We're gonna see how this look on the head. Wow, that was easy. Alright, this is 20 inches straight wig. The color is beautiful. So what I am going to do right now is just I'm just gonna do it real simple on my head, not too much. Gonna take this back. The quality of this hair is amazing. I love the quality. So let's just put this back, and all I'm gonna do, because I cut the edges and it is perfect, you see that, I'm just gonna spray at the front, because I like to use a spray just so it holds down, but we're gonna use a little bit of spray to hold this down on the forehead. And you can use any holding spray of your choice. It's just a preference, okay? Whatever works for you, you work with that. And then we're going to let this dry for a minute. And then we are going to put down the wig. Very easy. I love when I have something easy to work with. It's not too technical. and it's just simple. And because it's so snug to my head, I am going to just place it down.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand. Are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I love you right. It's not the best idea. Here's no you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to rationate you no murder's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the bottom, I get with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a phase, man. Man, now I'm a case. Now you lay your face down. I'll be saying over happy. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'll be in there just to tell me there's a plan. I just want you.
Alright guys, this is it. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it. I went ahead and did my makeup and go in with a little bit more curl because I want it to look super natural. So I went in and kind of razor cut the front and, you know, give it that little style. So it's very, very cute. I love it. It's 20 inches and the color is perfect. So make sure you guys check the description because the link to this hair will be there and more. The quality is top tier. So let's not even talk about that. Just look at how this is. I didn't do nothing really. It is a closure wig, so you guys, it's very flexible. You don't have to do a center part. You can go ahead and do a side part any way you wish. And finally, a company sent me a 20 inches. Like, I was dying for a shorter inch here and I finally got one. So now I can either curl it, I can do what I want. Look at this. You see, it's just, I like it. So I can now do what I want with it. The color is fall friendly. This color is trending. It's not too loud, so it's a bit toned down. You can wear this hairstyle to work, to school. You know, you can go on a job interview. It's just very cute. Like, look at that. So I absolutely love it. Check the description, and thanks again to ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys, let's go, in the next one. All right.
I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10.